Welcome to Tools and Decor USA. We're excited to have you here as we kick off our deep dive into the world of PC building. Whether you're a first-time builder or a seasoned enthusiast, making the right choices can make all the difference. Choosing a CPU is one of the most important decisions in building a PC. It's the foundation of your entire system, affecting everything from performance to future upgrade options. Think of the CPU as the brain of your computer. Get it right, and everything else falls into place. It determines how fast your programs run, how well you can multitask, and even what games or creative projects you can tackle. Today we're spotlighting AMD's Ryzen 5, 7, and 9 desktop processors. From the value-packed Ryzen 5 3600, perfect for budget builds and everyday use, to the powerhouse Ryzen 9 5950X, designed for demanding creators and gamers, there's a chip for every need and budget. We'll break down what makes each chip unique, who they're best suited for, and where they fit in the ever-evolving PC landscape. Whether you're building a gaming rig, a workstation for editing, or a reliable family PC, we'll help you find the right match. We'll cover essential specs like core counts and clock speeds, explain the benefits of integrated graphics, and introduce you to AMD's special 3DV cache technology, which can give your system a real performance boost in certain tasks. Whether you're a passionate gamer chasing high frame rates, a content creator editing videos and photos, or just need a reliable everyday machine for work and play, this guide is designed to help you make the best choice for your needs. So, let's dive into the world of AMD Ryzen and discover which CPU is right for you. First up, the Ryzen 5 3600, a legendary value king. 6 cores, 12 threads, and a price that made high-performance mainstream. Perfect for 1080p gaming, streaming, and multitasking, it's still a workhorse today. Its AM4 platform means tons of affordable motherboard options. If you're on a budget or upgrading an older system, the 3600 is a smart, future-proof pick. It's a modern classic that still holds its own. Next, the Ryzen 5 5500. Zen 3 architecture, 6 cores, 12 threads. It's snappier than the 3600 thanks to better instructions per clock and higher speeds. Limited to PCIe 3.0 and a smaller L3 cache, but for budget builds, it's a great entry point. If you want a new warranted chip for 1080p gaming without breaking the bank, this is it. The 5500 is a cost-effective, modern choice for new builders. The Ryzen 5 5600 is the true successor to the 3600's value crown, taking everything that made the previous generation so popular and refining it even further. AMD has managed to deliver a chip that not only matches, but often surpasses expectations for budget-conscious gamers and creators alike. With 6 powerful cores and 12 threads, a full 32 MB of L3 cache, and support for PCIe 4.0, the 5600 stands out in its class. The extra cache and faster PCIe lanes give it a real edge over the 5500 and older models, especially in demanding workloads and modern games. It's a big leap in both gaming and productivity, easily handling high refresh 1080p and even 1440p gaming with smooth frame rates. Whether you're editing videos, streaming, or just playing the latest titles, the 5600 delivers a consistently responsive experience. Gen 4 SSD support means you get lightning-fast load times and a more responsive system overall, making everyday tasks and large file transfers noticeably quicker. It even comes bundled with a solid stock cooler, so you don't need to spend extra on aftermarket cooling, making it even more budget-friendly for first-time builders or those upgrading on a tight budget. For most mid-range builders, this is the sweet spot, offering a perfect balance of price, performance, and future-proofing for years to come. The Ryzen 5 5600 is hard to beat for price, performance, and features, making it one of the best choices for anyone looking to build a capable and affordable PC today. The Ryzen 5 5600X, 6 cores, 12 threads, higher clocks, and top-tier gaming. It's a higher-binned 5600 with a boost up to 4.6 GHz for those chasing every last frame. For esports and single-threaded tasks, it's a slight step up. Today, the regular 5600 offers nearly the same performance for less, but if you find the X on sale, grab it. The 5600X is for those who want the absolute best 6-core AM4 chip. It's a premium pick for mainstream gaming. The Ryzen 5 5600G is an APU, which means it combines both a powerful 6-core, 12-thread CPU and integrated Radeon Vega graphics all on a single chip. This unique combination makes it stand out in the world of budget-friendly processors, offering solid performance for both everyday tasks and light gaming without the need for a separate graphics card. With the 5600G, you can build a PC without a dedicated graphics card and still enjoy smooth gameplay on popular titles like Valorant, Fortnite, or Rocket League at 1080p on low to medium settings. It's a great way to get into PC gaming or build a system when graphics cards are hard to find or too expensive. The 5600G is also perfect for compact, quiet, and energy-efficient builds. Think home theater PCs, small office desktops, or even a living room gaming setup. Its low power consumption and minimal heat output make it ideal for small form factor cases where space and airflow are limited. However, keep in mind that it's limited to PCIe 3.0 and has a smaller cache compared to higher-end Ryzen chips. This means it's not the best choice if you plan to upgrade to a powerful graphics card in the future or need maximum performance for demanding workloads. But for all-in-one, budget-friendly systems, the 5600G is hard to beat. It delivers excellent value for money, letting you build a capable PC for gaming, streaming, or productivity without breaking the bank. Plus, it comes with AMD's reliable Wraith Stealth cooler in the box, so you don't need to buy a separate cooler. It runs cool and quiet, making it especially appealing for first-time builders or anyone looking for a hassle-free setup. All things considered, the Ryzen 5 5600G is the ultimate starter chip for anyone wanting a versatile, affordable, and easy-to-build PC that can handle a wide range of tasks right out of the box. The Ryzen 5 3400G, 4 cores, 8 threads, and strong Vega 11 integrated graphics. It made entry-level gaming possible without a dedicated GPU. Perfect for ultra-budget builds, kids' PCs, or basic home use. Handles web browsing, office work, and light gaming with ease. Mostly found used now, but still a great pick for cheap, simple systems. The 3400G made PC gaming accessible to everyone. The Ryzen 3 3200G, 4 cores, 4 threads, and Vega 8 graphics. It's the bare-bones budget option for basic tasks and very light gaming. Ideal for office work, web browsing, or a starter PC for kids. Low power, comes with a cooler, and is super affordable on the used market. If your needs are modest and your budget is tight, the 3200G delivers. It's the entry point for a functional modern PC on a shoestring. Stepping up, the Ryzen 7 5700X, 8 cores, 16 threads, Zen 3 power. No integrated graphics, but excellent for productivity and multitasking. Great single-core speeds, PCIe 4.0, and a big 32 MB cache. Shines in video editing, 3D work, and heavy multitasking. Low 65 WTDP means it's efficient and easy to cool. Perfect for creators and streamers who need more muscle. The 5700X balances high-end performance with efficiency. The Ryzen 7 5800X, 8 cores, 16 threads, and higher clocks for max performance. It's the no-compromise 8-core chip for enthusiasts. Slightly faster than the 5700X in games and productivity, but runs hotter and needs a strong cooler. No cooler included, so budget for aftermarket cooling. Best for those who want every ounce of 8-core power and don't mind extra heat. The 5800X is for performance seekers and overclockers. The Ryzen 7 5700G, 8 cores, 16 threads, and integrated Vega 8 graphics. It's a productivity powerhouse for compact GPU-less builds. Perfect for small form factor editing rigs, home servers, or workstations. Handles 1080p esports gaming and 4K media playback. Limited to PCIe 3.0 and a smaller cache, so not ideal for high-end GPUs. If you need CPU muscle and integrated graphics in one, this is your chip. The 5700G is a master of all-in-one performance. The Ryzen 7 7800X3D, 8 cores, 16 threads, and AMD's 3DV cache tech. Stacks 96 MB of L3 cache for record-breaking gaming performance. If you want the fastest gaming CPU, this is it. especially at 1080p and 1440p. Productivity is solid, but its real strength is gaming. Requires a new AM5 motherboard and DDR5 RAM, so factor in platform costs. For ultimate gaming builds, nothing else comes close. The 7800X3D is a true game changer. At the top, the Ryzen 9 5950X, 16 cores, 32 threads, and unmatched multi-threaded power. Built for creators, streamers, and professionals who need extreme performance. Rips through 4K/8K video editing, 3D rendering, and megatasking. Also a strong gaming CPU thanks to high single-core speeds. Needs serious cooling, plan for a high-end air or liquid cooler. It's a premium chip for premium users. If you want the ultimate AM4 processor for work and play, this is it. The 5950X is the king for creators and power users. That's our tour of the AMD Ryzen lineup. From budget heroes to creative powerhouses, there's a Ryzen for every build and budget. Match your CPU to your main use, gaming, editing, streaming, or everyday tasks. Balance is key. Don't overspend on a CPU if your GPU is entry-level and vice versa. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and drop your Ryzen build in the comments. Check out our other videos for GPU picks and cooling tips. Thanks for watching. Happy building!